Hello everyone, my name is Devi Ella Savitri. I'm from class TBIB. So here I want to make a video shadowing. Check it out. Happy watching.
Different recordings, and you will have to answer questions on what you hear.
Different recording, and you will have to answer question 1 to hear.
There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions.
There will be time you to read the instruction and questions,
And you will have a chance to check
and you will have a chance
your work.
to check your work.
All recordings
All recording
will be played once only.
will be played once, only the tests.
The test is in 4 sections.
The text is in 4 sections.
At the end of the test, you
At the end of the test,
will be given 10 minutes
you will be given 10 minutes
to transfer your answers to an
to transfer your answers
answer sheet.
to an answer sheet.
Now turn to section 1.
Now turn to section 1.
Section 1.
Section 1.
You will hear a telephone conversation between a travel agent and a customer.
You will hear a telephone conversation between a travel agent and customer.
First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 6.
First, you have some time to look at question 1 to 6.
Example that has been. You will see that there is an example that has been done for you.
You will see that there is an example that has been done.
On this occasion only,
On this occasion only,
the conversation relating to this will
the conversation relating to this
be played first.
example that has.
Good morning, World Tours. My name is Jamie.
Good morning, World Trust. My name is Jamie.
How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Good morning. I want some information on self-drive tours in the USA.
Good morning. I want some information on self-drive tour in the USA.
Could you send me a brochure?
Of
Could you send me a brochure?
course.
Of course.
Could I have your name, please?
Could I have your name, please?
Andrea Brown.
Andrea Brown.
The customer's name is Andrea Brown.
The customer name is Andrea Brown.
So, Brown has been written in the space.
So, Brown has been written in this page.
Now we shall begin.
Now we shall begin.
You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time.
You should answer the question as you listen because you will not hear the recording a second time.
Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 6.
Listen carefully and answer question 1 to 6.
Good morning, World Tours. My name is Jamie.
Good morning, Will Toast. My name is Jamie.
How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Good morning. I want some information on self-drive tours in the USA.
Good morning. I want to some information on self-drive
Could you-
drone in the USA.
Send me a brochure.
Of course.
Can you send me a brochure? Of course.
Could I have your name, please?
Could I have your name, please?
Andrea Brown.
Andrea Brown.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And your address?
And your address?
24 Ardley Road.
24 Early Road.
Can you spell that?
Can you spell that?
Ardleigh
ERDLEIGH Road.
Road.
Postcode?
Postcode
BH5 2OP.
BH5 20. Thanks.
Thanks. And can I have your phone number?
And can I have your phone number?
Is a mobile alright?
Fine.
Is a mobile alright? Fine.
It's 077
It's 077
86
86
643
643
091.
091.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And can I ask you where you heard about World
And can I ask you where you heard about?
Tours? From a friend, or did you see an advert somewhere?
About World Tours from a friend, or did you see
No, I read about you in the newspaper.
some? No, I read about you in the newspaper.
Okay, I'll get the brochures in the post to you, but can I give you some information over the phone?
Okay, I get the brochure and the post to you, but I can give you information over phone.
What kinds of things do you want to do on your holiday?
Or what kind of thing do you want to do on your holiday?
I'm interested in going to California with my family.
I'm interested in going to California with my family.
I've got 2 children,
I got 2 children,
and we want to hire a car.
and we want to hire a car.
Okay,
Okay.
we have a couple of self-drive tours that
We have a couple of self-drive tours,
they're visiting different places of interest in California.
just visiting different places in the California.
The first one begins in Los Angeles,
The first one began in Los Angeles,
and there's plenty of time to visit some of the theme parks there.
and there plenty of time to visit someone that takes part the and there.
That's something on my children's list, so
That's something on my children's list.
I'd want to include that.
Good.
So I want to include that. That's good.
Then you drive to San Francisco.
Then you drive to San Francisco.
From San Francisco, you can drive to Yosemite Park, where you've spent a couple of nights. You can choose to stay in a lodge or on the campsite.
As long I want to include the good, you can drive the use park where you spend a couple of nights. You had chose to stay in lodge on the campus.
I don't like the idea of staying in a tent.
I don't like the idea of staying in the tents.
It'd be too hot.
It is a bit too hot.
Right.
Right.
And the tour ends in Las Vegas.
And the tour ends in the Las Vegas.
Okay.
Okay.
The other trip we can arrange is slightly different. It starts in San Francisco, then you drive south to Cambria.
Las Vegas. Okay, the other trip they went arrest in Sterry different in start in Francisco.
Someone told me there's a really nice castle near Cambria.
Someone told me there's a really nice castle near Cambria.
Will we go near that?
Hearst
Will we go near that horse?
Castle is on that road, so you could stop there.
Castle is one tourist you will stop there.
Good. I'd like
Good. I like
to do that.
to do that.
Does this trip also go into the desert?
Trip also go into desert contest.
No, it continues to Santa Monica, where most people like to stop and do some shopping.
No, it is continuous to Monica, where most people like a shop the shopping.
We have enough of that at home, so that doesn't interest us.
We have enough of that home, so that does interest.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, you could go straight on to San Diego.
Well, you could go straight onto a Diego.
That's good for beaches, isn't it?
They go for beaches in the States.
That's right.
That's right.
That's a good place to relax, and your children might like to visit the zoo before flying home.
Go plus the Chirac and your children make little visit in the browser before.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
We want some time for sunbathing and swimming.
We want some time for sunbath and swimming.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation,
Before you hear the rest of the conversation,
you have some time to look at questions 7 to 10.
you have sometimes a look at question 7 to 10.
Now listen and answer questions 7 to 10.
Now listen and answer question 7 to 10.
So, how many days are the trips and how much do they cost?
So how many days are the trip and the most to the costs?
The first one I told you about is
The first one I told you about is
a self-drive tour through California,
a self-drive through California
which lasts 12 days and covers 2,020 kilometers.
with a less 30 13 days and
California, which lasts 12 days and covers 2,020 kilometers.
California with less 13 days and
Which lasts 12 days and covers 2,020
cover 2020 kilometers.
The shortest journey is 206 kilometers,
And short journey is 600 kilometers.
and the longest is 632 kilometers.
And the longest in 762 kilometers.
The cost is £525
The cost is 525 person.
per person. That includes accommodation, car
That include accommodation, car,
rental, and a flight, but no meals.
and a flight but meals.
Okay.
Okay.
And the other trip?
That
And the trip.
lasts 9 days, but you
Trip this like 9 days.
spend only 3 days on the road.
But spend only 3 days on the road.
You cover about 980 kilometers
You cover about 990 kilometers.
altogether.
Also this cover.
So is that cheaper then?
Yes, it's almost £100 cheaper. It's £429 per person, which
Cover is 429 person
is a good deal.
with a good deal.
So that covers accommodation and car hire. What about flights?
So that covers accommodation and car here read about feelings.
They aren't included, but
They are included.
these hotels offer dinner in the
But this hotel after dinners in the price.
price.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
I'll be in touch when I've had a chance to look at the brochure.
I be in touch when I had a chance a look at the brooch.
I'm pleased to help.
I'm pleased to help.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
That is the end of section 1. You
That is the end of the session 1.
now have half a minute to check your answers.
You now have half a minute to check your answer. Okay guys, thank you. This my video shadowing. The next, bye bye. Next video. Okay guys, maybe this is my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.